An office employee enters an order that has been received by email. The office employee logs in to PrimeFact 5. He creates a new sales order. He chooses the right customer and order method. He clicks on Edit Receipt and fills in the order details. The style of the worktop is being chosen. The order lines are added. The dimensions are entered. The edge finishes are determined. A corner operation is entered. The office employee configures the cutouts. The worktop is now fully configured. The office employee now adds 2 back panels. He checks the price calculation and the order confirmation. The order is now complete. We look at the further workflow of this order. The office employee orders the order.